Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's explore how to read and analyze a crypto white paper. White papers are essential for understanding blockchain projects and assessing their potential. Start with the problem and solution. What issues does the project aim to solve, and how does it plan to achieve them? Dive into the technical details, such as the blockchain architecture, consensus mechanisms, and scalability solutions. Evaluate the team and partnerships for credibility. Check the tokenomics, how tokens are distributed, their utility, and economic sustainability. Lastly, look at the roadmap to gauge the project's feasibility and timeline. Always prioritize transparency and avoid overly complicated jargon or vague promises. By following these steps, you can make better informed decisions about a project's value and potential risks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. See you in the next one.